I'm taping this for Brother Frierson. So, Brother Frierson, so now Sister Nweke is here.
With her plate in her hand.
With her plate in her hand.
Thank you, Bria.
So, now you'll get to see a photo of all the delicious food. Oh, so this is, what is this?
Come on, brother. Don't be shy.
Like ravioli
Yeah,
or
with
something?
chicken inside.
And look at that nice chicken. Well, that's pretty chicken. Look at this. And look at this. Fried chicken. That look good.
Ooh, look at this.
What is this, Bria?
What is this rice?
Yeah.
That's rice, Brother Frierson. We're going to make sure you get some of that. Okay. Wait. Oh, look.
Here's
Potato
potato
salad,
salad,
Keith. Look. You didn't say Keith. You said Hun.
Yeah.
Right? You said Hun? Okay. Ooh, look at,
This looks good.
look at the
What is
salad. Oh,
ravioli.
I missed something. Another ravioli dish.
Yes.
Very
That has
pretty.
nothing in it. This has chicken inside of it.
That looks very pretty.
Thank you.
All right, Brother Frierson, we're going to get our chow on. Talk to you later.